Hey y'all, it's your girl Graciela, back with another video. So in today's video, I got my Sony ZV-1F box, and I also got like the accessories. So those two small boxes are accessories, the camera, and that big box right there, that 19-inch ring light I had purchased as well. Without further ado, let's get into it. I paid for fast shipping. So yeah, let me not hold y'all up. We're gonna start with the accessories first. Y'all, my tripod didn't come with all of it, or else I would like literally set y'all up. Y'all could see like a whole angle of everything, but y'all can skip. Honestly, I won't be mad. We got an SD card reader. This is so it'll transfer your photos and videos over way faster. A camera itself has like a Bluetooth app that you can download on your phone and like connect it with, but it takes like hours, so I'm saving myself some time with this. In the bio, so if y'all want to purchase anything that I'm showing you guys, please feel free to, because it will be linked in the bio. So just check, well, the description, my bad, description. Here is the batteries. I'm gonna for y'all. I'm still gonna show you guys though. And then here's the battery charger. This is so if your battery dies, you plug it on in and it will charge it for you. Looks like, and up there it'll let you know like how charged they are. And here we go with the SD card. You always gotta have an SD card. I grabbed the 128 gigabyte one just because I'm just like, you know, just first time getting it. So I will be getting more SD cards in the future. This is just for starters. What the SD card shall look like. I will also have this link down in the description. So, okay, for the next one, I got this case. This comes with a glass screen protector because I had also ordered a glass screen protector. This is the case. So cute. And I wear red right now. Super cute. That's the case. This is so the screen don't get scratched or nothing. Next is that case for the camera where I will be keeping my camera in so it don't like, you know, get lost, broken, just smashed everywhere inside of my purse. It's silicone. It's super nice. What it looks like when you open it. It also comes with this that you can attach to over here on the side. This Ulanzi light for my camera. It sticks right next to on the top. It slides right on it. This is for like if I'm in the dark, you know. It slides right on top of my camera, so it's so convenient to me. It turns on as well, and it has, this is the first mode, this is the second mode, this is the third mode, this is the fourth mode, this is the fifth mode. Makes the, ooh, I'm thinking about keeping this on for the rest of the video. Look how, do y'all see me glowing though? Period. I think y'all know the vibes when it comes to the tripod. Like, it can go up. And it's small because I got a small hand, so you know it's like perfect. Here's the thing to screw the camera on. It goes up to that far, which I really like. So y'all should get this run because it extends up. So it's not like it only has to be on one level. And it opens up like that. The Sony ZV-1F, and I am so excited about it, y'all. OMG. Like, bro, words can't even say how excited I am, bro. For real. OMG, y'all. We are opening this together. Here's another charger. Open this up real quick before the big step. Mic piece. Oh, look how cute, y'all. Fluff it on out. Period. That's super cute. And it didn't come all stiff looking. But the moment y'all been waiting for. Yes, y'all, I had already opened this. I didn't like turn it on or put a battery in or anything. But I opened it up for like a TikTok video, YouTube short video. But look, y'all. Period. A bitch gonna be vlogging for real. Look at this camera. It actually, people say it does feel light. But like, it has like a good like weight on it too, like, you know what I mean? Like, it don't just feel 100%, like, it don't feel cheap for sure. Here's what it looks like when you pop the screen out, and there's that light that goes right on top of here. That light that's over there, that light that's over there goes right on top of this, screws right on top of there. I'm so happy about this. Y'all don't even know. I'm about to put the battery in right now. It clicked. So y'all see the quality right now, right here? I'm gonna do a review as well, and y'all gonna see. And I'm not gonna edit the settings. I'm just gonna put it on the auto mode. I'm just gonna open it up straight up and show y'all what it's giving. Straight up out of the box, not editing the settings yet. Please. Let's do this together. So we're gonna choose English. I'm back, y'all, sorry. But it has me on the date time now. Y'all see my phone? I'm about to get a new one. But it wants the time. The settings and everything is on. And period, poo. Just kidding, just kidding. But y'all, I'm about to transfer over to this. We got the SD card. Okay, look, I'm gonna show y'all in the video. This is what it looks like with it on. Hey y'all, this is Graciela. Y'all are getting recorded over there. Hey. So it's on HD 60 per second, y'all. Y'all can see that. Boom. I'm trying to see myself. Okay. I like this. I could definitely get used to this for sure. The lighting is just wow. No bars. Gotcha. It goes on. So look, I'm gonna show y'all in the video. This is what it looks like with it on. And this is how cute it looks. It's cute. I don't know if I like the case though. You wanna know why? Because the case, look, when I have the case on, it blocks this, and I need that part right there on the bottom. Kitty.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Split without a thought, we doing reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is. In your mouth, to me, I ain't been like it. Fucking with a G. Cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I know. You got the high hopes. If I'm crazy, I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, shit, hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga play the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long. You pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. Now we mad because you let me low. Fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I'm when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want. I